Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix TikTok affiliate login issues, creator access errors step by step clearly. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Navigate to the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Scroll down to find Manage Account and select it. Check if you have the correct account type. Ensure you are using a TikTok creator or business account. If you need to switch your account type, tap on Switch to Pro account and choose the appropriate category. Next, return to the settings menu and select Privacy. Under Privacy, verify that your account is public. A private account can limit your ability to access affiliate features. Close the settings and return to your profile. Now, open the TikTok affiliate program page on your browser. Log into your account using your TikTok credentials. If you encounter an error message during login, take note of the specific issue mentioned. Common issues include incorrect password or account not being eligible for affiliate features. If your password is incorrect, tap Forgot Password on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. If your account is not eligible, review the requirements for the TikTok affiliate program. You may need a minimum number of followers or engagement metrics. If you meet the requirements but still face issues, clear your app cache. To do this, go to your device settings and find the TikTok app. Select Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, restart. Try logging into the affiliate program again. If problems persist, update the TikTok app to the latest version. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Once updated, reopen TikTok and attempt to log in again. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to TikTok support. Visit the support section in the settings menu for assistance. Submitting a detailed description of your login issue can help expedite the process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.